everyone, I'm Kelley Ernsdorff, Senior Product Manager for Nuvolo's Maintenance Management product. Today I want to talk about a topic that's super important for any organization doing their own maintenance: inventory management. Every organization wants to improve, and measuring performance is key. When it comes to your stockrooms, there are several important ways to measure whether you are effectively serving your customers, who are often the maintenance technicians who need parts to complete their work. One of the simplest metrics that your accountants care about is overall inventory value. Keeping tabs on this is a good reminder of how much money you have sitting on the shelves. Is this value increasing over time or decreasing? If it is only increasing, maybe it's time to look for opportunities to optimize. A great place to start is with slow movers. Slow movers are the parts sitting on shelves collecting dust. Why aren't they moving? Are they used only on assets that have been retired or disposed? Or do they apply to critical assets where the lead time to get the replacement part would be unacceptable for the asset to be down that long? The latter can justify keeping the part on the shelf, so understanding the reason behind slow-moving inventory can help you make better decisions about your stock levels. The corollary to slow movers is fast movers. Which parts have the highest turnover? Which parts are most commonly used and you're continually issuing out and ordering more? This is a good thing, but if the cost for your organization to cut a purchase order is high, you may want to consider updating your min-max values to order a greater quantity less often. And finally, let's talk about stockouts. When a technician requests a part that is normally stocked, how often is it not in stock? Were more on order already, but the lead time has increased for some reason? Was the demand higher than normal? Is this a one-time concern, or do adjustments need to be made to the min-max values, or pick a different vendor with shorter lead times? By tracking stockouts, you can identify problem areas and take steps to prevent them. There you have it, a few simple but powerful metrics to help you manage your inventory more effectively. As with any measurement, the data alone cannot tell the full story, so I recommend that these metrics are not a target or a destination, but a tool to point you toward what to consider or further investigate. The real key is understanding the why behind the numbers. So, by digging deeper into the data, you can make informed decisions that will improve your stockroom's performance.